Today we're going to be reviewing Flamin Hot snacks. They're Madison and I's favorite snack foods, so I'm pretty excited for this review. And it's going to be a long review because this whole bag is full of them. Alright, we're going to start out with Flamin Hot
I just brushed my
Doritos.
teeth.
Well, it's too late now. Why didn't you think about this earlier?
Well, I have to brush my teeth.
Yeah, but
I can't just not brush my teeth.
Fucking eat the goddamn chip.
I don't like Doritos, but I like these.
I like these, and I think they might be the hottest Flamin Hot product.
But we haven't tried them all, so how do you know?
I've had a lot of them before. This is my first Flamin Hot chip.
Well, I just think it's kind of weird that you're starting out the gate with, this is the hottest one.
Well, I think it's kind of weird that you chose to brush your teeth right before this video.
Have you not brushed your teeth today?
No.
That's disgusting. 7. I give those a 7. What do you
I give them an 8.5. Baked Flamin Hot Cheetos, and I don't appreciate you calling me out for not brushing my teeth
Ooh, that's
today.
really gross.
I was drinking coffee.
Okay, brush your teeth. You went out in public. You went
These aren't very hot. You're disgusting.
How?
Look at your face.
I like these.
They're not hot.
No, but I like them.
I don't like the flavor.
I do.
I don't at all.
8.
3. Gross. What?
They're so much better than a 3.
Wrong. Flaming Hot Lay's. Here, this is better.
Yes. Oh shit. Did you bring water?
Nope.
I'm gonna die.
Hopefully.
It's caught in my throat. I'm good. I lied.
These aren't spicy at all. The review must go on.
Because I'm dying.
Yeah, I don't care. You can die after the review is over.
Oh, I like these.
They're not spicy though. They have more of a smoky flavor, don't you think? Like a smoked chili.
I think they taste like Lay's with Flamin' Hot flavor.
I think she's wrong. I don't like Lay's chips. 4 out of 10.
7.5.
Flaming Hot Ruffles. I fuck with these.
I don't like these. They're soggy almost.
You're wrong.
They're soft.
You're wrong.
They're soft.
Okay, they are soft, but they're not soggy. They're not
No,
wet.
No, I meant soft.
2 different words.
Okay, well, I knew what I meant, so.
Well, they didn't know what you meant. They're not in your brains.
My brain. Plural.
Well, you got multiple since you're so smart.
I give those a 6. I don't like those.
I think they'd be really good with a chip dip.
Well, all of these probably would be.
The baked Cheetos would be good with a chip dip.
Yeah. I think they would be. I like
No.
the baked Cheetos. I think those are my favorites so far.
6. Flaming Hot Cheetos. Everybody's had these. Classic.
I like the big ones better.
Big wrong.
They taste better.
You're wrong.
Mm-mm.
These are spicier.
Those taste better.
7.
8.
I think you gave these a higher score than those, but you like those better. That makes no sense.
Didn't I give those a 9?
I don't know.
Well, if I didn't, I give them a 9. There's too many. I can't keep track of what I did.
Well, you can't hard to keep track of two things at once. Chester fries. We're both in a mood.
Yeah, I can tell.
Ew.
I love these 10.
They're not. They
These are
just
my
taste like
favorite.
regular Chester fries.
No. So wrong.
2. Gross.
I've never been more disappointed in you than right now. You have Flamin Hot on your tooth. You want me to get it?
Yeah, lick it off.
I'm not lit. Ew!
Cheetos Puffs.
I'm gonna hate these.
I probably feel the same way about these that I feel about you.
You're gonna love them.
I'm gonna be thoroughly disgusted in them.
You're the one talking about me licking your teeth.
It's a joke.
It wasn't funny.
It wasn't like a haha joke. Well, you know, I hate how soft these are. And it tastes like packing peanuts. They like
Feel the same, probably.
they dissolve in your mouth. 1.
I don't hate them as bad as I thought I was going to.
1. They have like a really. They have a. Ugh.
Probably a 4. What the hell am I supposed to put these? Oh, those are hot though.
I don't like them. Oh, sorry. Next is.
You got too
Munchies.
distracted. You were like, I'm so excited to eat these.
Yeah, these are the ones I'm looking most.
You're looking most what?
I'm just looking most.
Good choice of words. What are you? Are we just supposed to eat one of everything, or what's going on here?
Yeah. Well, the pretzel's not going to be flaming hot. It's just a regular pretzel, but good try. 10 out of 10. Best snack food on the market.
Wrong.
The flaming hot sun chips in there are my favorite thing in the world.
I don't like mixed bags of things. I think everything kind of tastes the same. 3.
3. You gave that a 3. You gave the Chester fries an 8, but
No,
you
I gave
give
those
this a 3.
I gave those a 10.
You gave them a 10, but this a 3? Are you insane?
Those taste so much better to me.
Wrong!
Everything in here tastes the same except the pretzels.
You're as bad as judging food as you are at Jeopardy.
Well, I beat at Jeopardy.
How
so
many times?
I don't know. Too many count.
4? Is it 4? Is that too many for you to count? I don't know, too many times to count. Well, it's 4. You have more fingers on one hand than you do 4.
Can we continue?
You don't want to talk about it anymore?
No. Moving on. 3, gross. They're gross. They're bad. I don't like them.
This is how I feel the same way about these chips as I do my dog. They're great. So
What? I would not rate your dog a 3, but I rate these chips a 3, so.
well, I wouldn't rate these chips a 3. I'd rate your dog a 3.
I'm breaking up with you.
Do it.
We're over. After this review, we're done.
Okay. Anyway, I'm gonna rank them in order of my favorite.
Oh my god. No, wait. Don't we have another one? You didn't grab the hot Funyuns.
Oh,
My
fuck.
favorite ones.
Well, we can just pretend to eat the hot Funyuns. So, this is a bag of hot Funyuns.
ASMR?
Try the hot Funyuns.
No.
Try the hot. Try them.
No.
Now.
No.
Here, I'll give you one. Open your mouth.
Good. 10.
I give. Let me try one more.
Oh my god, this is.
I give the hot Funyuns 8.5. I'd rank them Munchies, Doritos, hot Funyuns, Cheetos, regular.
Regular Cheetos, not Flaming Hot Cheetos.
No, the regular style Cheetos. I'm gonna punch you in your face. Ruffles. Baked. Chester fries. Lay's. Puffs.
Do I have to do that?
That's too many things for you to keep
Okay,
track
no.
of.
Hot Funyuns, Chester fries, baked hot Cheetos. Can you not do that? Wait, what's that one?
What one?
This one. Oh, those are
Doritos.
Doritos. Regular hot Cheetos, Lay's, Ruffles,
You got this?
Doritos, Puffs, Munchies.
Munchies are your least favorite. You're just saying that because...
No, I really don't like them.
Oh.
Everything tastes the same except the pretzels.
I'm sorry, you don't have very refined taste buds.
You're doing real well with words today.
You're rubbing off on me. That'll do it.